recipe is the easiest yortamal or tamal that you could ever possibly make. You can make this sweet or savor because I'm using young corn. Now this type of corn is really easy to come by here when it's in season, but if you don't have young corn, you can use old corn. You can use any sort of corn you have. You can probably even use canned corn if you don't have fresh corn near you. But all this has is 3 basic ingredients. Now I'm saying 3 because I'm choosing to make them sweet. That's how we eat them here in Nicaragua. But you can make them savory by just adding salt. I am using salt, but obviously because I just want to bring out the flavors. But I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of stevia, which is going straight into the blender. Then I'm just gonna be using a pinch of salt. Now you don't have to add water, but I like using a little bit of water just to help it blend. And I'm pretty much using only about a tablespoon. And the rest of that water is gonna be used for the cooking. So that's it. You just blend and there you have your tamal dough. That's it. Our corn dough is ready. So right now, all I'm basically gonna do is just gonna pour some right into the leaf, then I'm gonna close it and seal it. So now that you have your dough in there, you close it. You grab another piece of husk and you set it halfway through the other corn husk. And then you close it. Make sure it's sealed and then you just flip one side over this one. Now I'm placing these 2 right in here, seam side down because you don't want you. And then we're gonna place a little bit of water into the pan, only to create steam. We're not boiling them. We put the lid on and that's gonna cook for 30 minutes. They smell so good. So now that they are sufficiently cool, I'm just gonna show you guys. Unwrap this. Now traditionally here we eat this, if it's sweet, we eat it with some cheese. Obviously there is no cheese here though. I love eating this with some almond yogurt that I make from scratch. And it's really nice and tangy, so it plays really well with the sweet corn and its starchiness. I'm so excited I got to share this recipe with you guys. This is a Nicaraguan staple. It's sold on every corner here in the city and it's so delicious and so easy. And it's also really affordable to make. So definitely check this recipe out, make it for yourself and let me know what you thought in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.